completely redesigned iMac is more personal, more powerful, and more capable than ever. iMac's new form is stunning, with a spectrum of vibrant colors, so you can choose the one that fits your own personal style. The softer colors and light gray borders ground the iMac in your environment. The back is designed to really celebrate color, with bold, richly saturated shades. Let's check out the striking side profile, where you really see the profound impact of M1. And because M1 is far more power efficient, the bulky thermal system is replaced by just 2 small fans. For typical use, iMac stays under 10 decibels, which is barely audible to the human ear. Together, these 2 components help reduce iMac's overall volume by over 50%. The result is a design that's much more compact and just 11.5 millimeters thin. On the new iMac, we made the display an expansive 24 inches, and it has nearly 11.3 million pixels in its 4.5K Retina display. And with a P3 wide gamut and over 1 billion colors, plus 500 nits of brightness, every image is brilliant and vivid.
iMac now has a 1080p FaceTime HD camera, which doubles the resolution for much higher quality video. And with a larger sensor, the camera performs great in low light. The camera is paired with M1, which has Apple's latest image signal processor, or ISP. This works to further enhance the image quality with computational video. As you use the camera, the ISP goes through a series of steps to analyze and enhance each pixel at over 1 trillion operations per second. For example, it works with M1's neural engine to make more intelligent exposure and white balance adjustments, so your lighting is always just right. It utilizes advanced noise reduction algorithms to bring a new level of clarity to your video. And it uses tone mapping to deliver enhanced dynamic range, bringing more detail to bright highlights and dark shadows. The mics are engineered to reduce feedback from the rest of the system, so conversations flow more naturally and you'll interrupt each other less. And beamforming allows these mics to better ignore background noise and focus on your voice. Now, while iMac needed to have big sound, it also had to deliver accurate sound. So we gave it 2 pairs of force-canceling woofers that produce an incredible bass response while reducing unintended vibrations from that increased power. And we balanced each set with a high-performance tweeter. The result is a 6-speaker system that produces a massive soundstage with strong, articulate bass and crystal-clear mids and highs.
You can feel the difference immediately, as iMac wakes almost instantly. And your apps launch with blazing speed. When it comes to CPU performance, in apps like Xcode, Lightroom, and iMovie, iMac is up to 85% faster than the previous 21.5-inch iMac models. And when it comes to GPU performance, for certain apps like Affinity Photo and Photoshop, iMac is up to 2 times faster than the previous models. And it's even up to 50% faster than the most powerful discrete graphics in the fastest 21.5-inch iMac. And machine learning is now up to 3 times faster in apps that leverage M1's 16-core neural engine. And because iMac has the same chip architecture as iPhone and iPad, you can run iPhone and iPad apps like Headspace and Zillow right on your iMac without breaking your workflow. And you can even copy text and images on iPhone and then paste them right into a document on iMac with the magic of Universal Clipboard. And all your content is always available and up to date across all your Apple devices. It has up to 4 USB-C ports, including 2 Thunderbolt ports for super fast data transfer, and support for up to a 6K display, like the Pro Display XDR. And we created a new power connector that attaches magnetically. It has a 2-meter color-matched woven cable that leads to a small power adapter, which can be placed on the floor behind your desk. It connects to the adapter and runs through the power cable to keep your desktop less cluttered. You can choose from 3 types of keyboards with gorgeous aluminum enclosures, color-matched to iMac. First, there's a Magic Keyboard with new emoji, spotlight, dictation, and do not disturb keys, and a lock key to instantly lock iMac. Next, there's a Magic Keyboard with an exciting new feature, Touch ID, which comes to the Mac desktop for the first time. And Touch ID also works with fast user switching, so you can change to a different user profile with just the touch of a finger. Magic Mouse, loved by iMac users, now features color-matched aluminum. And Magic Trackpad, still by far the industry's best, has a refined shape to match the new keyboard. It starts at just $12.99 in 4 colors. And at $14.99, iMac comes in 7 colors with these additional features. You can order the new iMac starting April 30th, and it will be available in the second half of May.